Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Triumph Tiger XRX. This is 800cc, 3-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, multi-purpose motorcycle. Super combination of smoothness and torque. Gorgeous looks. This bike is in fantastic condition with only 5,900 miles. Great tires, a fantastic sounding Yoshimura RS4 exhaust system, beautiful metallic white paint scheme. Come by, make your dual sport dreams come true. This gorgeous Tiger XRX 800, price to sell, only $10,599. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.